everyone, this is your girl Zarina. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making a tutorial on how to make your hot chocolate cream. This is going to be a pro mix method where we tend to use products from the market to whip up this recipe. If you're a dark skinned person, your caramel skin tone, you want to try out this recipe because it's super wonderful on the skin. Quickly guys, let me introduce to you what we'll be needing to whip up this recipe. In front of me here is the base cream we'll be using. It's a fake cream and the product name is Bronze Tone. I love to use this cream. It's a very moisturizing cream and it has cocoa butter and honey extract. This cream helps to moisturize the epidermis of your skin, and keep it supple. I love to roll with this particular base cream. Here I have my lightning glycerin. Here I'll be adding an ampoule of collagen. Here I have my Citro class serum. This serum is super wonderful. It helps to fight against acute dermatitis like eczema, psoriasis, some local inflammatory allergy reactions. It helps to stimulate the skin and bring it back to its normal condition. You can't do away with this serum, guys. Here I have my bowel oil. Bowel oil helps to unify your skin. It helps to fade off scars, stretch marks on your skin, help to even out your skin tone. It's also an anti-aging oil. So this oil goes into this mixture. There's a fruity acid serum. It's called Piment Doux. It's also a nice serum to use. It's a unifier and it's a good serum to fill the skin with. Here I'll be adding my almond oil. It's also a moisturizing oil, helps to rejuvenate the skin, keep the skin radiant and moisturized. In here I'll be adding my skin-free milk, which helps to treat other skin conditions that the skin might have. It also helps to unify the skin and is a very good serum to feed the skin with. So what I like to do, I like to measure out all my oils in a container and mix them together before incorporating it in my cream. So stay. Sorry, I had to pause the video to get my cup. For this mixture, we'll be adding 1 full Citro class serum. Here I'll be adding my collagen ampoule. This nearly helped my skin. For my bowel oil, I'll be adding 5 ml of my bowel oil. I'll also be adding a tablespoon this half tablespoon, so I'll be adding 2 of this to make it 1 tablespoon. I'll be adding 5 ml of this, that's half tablespoon. I have to open this. So for this, you'll be adding 2 tablespoons, so we need 4 of this since it's half teaspoon. Since it's half tablespoon, sorry. 2, 3, 4. And for my glycerin, I'll be adding just 5 ml. I don't know if you guys can see this. You want to mix your oils together. Make it fast. I like to mix my oils all together to, you know, incorporate, make sure they are properly mixed before it goes into my cream. I don't want a situation where you tend to add oils, you know, and making your cream, it tends to separate sometimes. So, but if you can deal with that, choose it your way. But it's how I like to do mine. You want to, you know, sterilize everything that you're going to be using, because it's a pro-mix method. Here we don't tend to add any preservative because they are all made products. All these products have preservatives in them already. Adding more preservative to it, might just might start fighting against what it's not supposed to. So you see how it has turned out, creamy Malcolm milk. You guys can see that. Just mix it all together. So now I'll set this aside, and I want to turn my cream into the container. This is hard work to do. It's so thick. You know what? I'll just do this. Very thick cream. Try to get everything out. This cream is super effective, and you can use it morning and night after you've had a shower on a clean skin. It will help, you know, moisturize your skin, rejuvenate your skin, and it also helps to treat any kind of you know, skin reactions that you might be having, be it dark spot, be it eczema. To take care of that, moisturize and glow you. It will polish your skin in such a way that, you know, you never imagine. It's a very good mixture. I want you to try out this recipe and come to give me a feedback in my description box. Voila. It's hard to get this cream out. Super hard to get it out. gonna pause this video and try to get all this. Guys, you know what I did? I had to add some of the oil mixture to, you know, get out all the cream. It's so thick that I don't want to let anything, you know, I don't want it to be left out. See, even after adding the oil, see, added some of the oil in there. Just to make sure I get it all out. It's so thick. I think that should be all. So now you want to start mixing your oils into it. Sorry about that. You want to add it bit by bit and mix together. Mixing is all about getting the right measurement and knowing how to incorporate all the ingredients together. Otherwise, you just ruin everything. It's lighter. And that is how you make your hot chocolate cream. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button below, hit on the notification bell beside it so you'll be the first to get notified each time I upload a new video. Give this video a thumbs up, share my video, and I'll see you guys on Saturday for yet another exciting video.